Many dealers get into the business and assume that because they're making money, that they're going to be just fine, that they're doing everything right. There's always room for improvement. There's always something else that you can learn. The more educated you are, the better you can enjoy what you're doing. If you're trying to do it commercially, you're better set to make money. If you're trying to do it simply as a collector, you're going to receive better value for your dollar.
This is a long game. It's discipline. It's buying and selling coins.
It's very important to figure out what people actually want. That changes even week to week in today's fast-paced online world.
Keep your finger on the pulse and just put in the work, own your backyard, and grow from there.
If you pay the retail public fair prices over time, more and more of these people will come back to you.
I did not open up my eyes to the importance of connecting and learning from your peers until I started to realize how powerful social media was. Networking online is huge, but networking in person is exponentially larger.
It doesn't matter if you're considering starting your own business or adding the finishing touches to an already established business. This forum will have something for everyone.